Can I just be honest with you? It's Patti Allred here, and I just wanted to tell you that it's okay if your goals are different from other people's. I spent many, many years as an entrepreneur thinking that I was supposed to want the huge house, the maids, the limos, all the stuff, and I would try to build my dream board, and I would go through magazines, and anyway, I knew it wasn't what I was wanting when I was putting those pictures on that board. I can't be the only one that has those feelings. I do want nice things. I do like nice things, and success is definitely the way to go. And striving to be better and helping others and learning the art of being an entrepreneur. But just because my goals aren't the same as everybody else's or yours, or just because your goals aren't the same as mine, doesn't make either one of us wrong. It makes us real. It makes us who we are. And I just want to let you know, it's okay. It's fine. I made a short video earlier today, and it said something about, you'll find me in jeans and an old shirt. Every day you'll find me in jeans and probably flip-flops and a sweater or a shirt. That's what makes me happy. And having our stuff paid for and being able to help others, that's what makes me happy. That's my goals. Being with my family. I'm not a big traveler at all. I like to stay home. And it's okay. I just wanted to let you know that I have given myself permission to embrace my goals, and I want to give you permission to embrace your goals. List below some of the goals that are yours that may be different from others or may not be. Hey, people love to travel, and that's fine. I've been there and done that, and I just like to stay home. I actually live in the house I grew up in. We bought it 30 some years ago, and I've been here. I've only lived 2 places in my whole life, and I love it. But look, if you like this video, click like. If you want to share it, share it. Leave me a comment though. Let me know what your goals are. I'm interested to see what type of goals you have. Is it the big house? Is it the mansion? Is it the swimming pool? The big cars, the limo? Hey, now maid, or housekeeper, whatever. That stuff. I'm just interested in knowing what you want. So just drop below and let me know. But most of all, choose happy. Make it a great day. And hey, check out the links below, because I have some amazing people that are teaching me, or have taught me and still are teaching me, some ways that I'm able to make money and stay home and reach my goals. How about you? Make it a great day. I'll talk to you soon. It's Patti Allred.